Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 2. Today I am going to teach you social studies. Learning good habits include your school, page 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of your social studies book. Okay. Let's start our lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn about school and school life, why school is important, and the activities that you do in school. Okay, students, what's the name of your school? Your school name is Allied School. And where is it located? I'm sure you know the location of your school. There are many classrooms in your school where you go and sit into your class, and there you study different subjects. Yes, there is a playground in your school where you play with your friends. Sport is fun. Everyone enjoys going to the playground. Students, do you push other students? Do you? While playing? Out of anger or simply to play around? And do you pass racist comments? Do you? Never call bad names to each other. Never pass racist comments, okay? Nobody is inferior because of a color. We all are equal. Okay, there is a computer lab in your school. Do you have a computer at your home? On computer, you can play games. I know you love to play games, and you can browse the web as well. Okay, in the next slide, there are 3 different looks of student. You are in a primary school. After primary school, you will go to senior school. Students, school life is the best life. It is the school life that blesses with best ever friends for the rest of our life. And when you leave the senior school and then you go to college and you look like this and you'll be a grown-up. It's the life of freedom. But at the same time, you'll develop the sense of duty and study. And you'll also understand the value of time. And in school, you study different subjects like languages, mathematics, social studies, science, and sports. So the first subject is languages. The language that we learn first as a child, it is our mother tongue. We learn our first language unconsciously. In school, you may have to learn 2 or more languages. And you learn all these languages consciously because you put an effort. And regional languages are also taught in Pakistani schools. The second subject is mathematics. It's an important part of learning. It will help you how to solve problems, how to count the money. When you go to buy something, you have to know how to count. And the third subject is of social studies. In this subject, you learn about geography, history, lands and seas. You get to know about your own country, not only your own country, but other cultures as well. And now, see the second last point, it says science. Students, there are many branches of science, but main branches of science are physical science, earth science, and life science. Basically, science is the study of nature and behavior of natural things. And now the last one. It's your favorite one. It is sports. Everybody loves sports. Ever wonder the reason why we all love sports? Because everyone needs entertainment and fun in life to avoid boredom and to refresh the mind and body. Students, sports help you to make your body physically fit and keep your mind good. And you can make a career in any sport, sports like cricket, hockey, football, table tennis, and boxing, etc. etc. And sports also teaches us teamwork. Yes, it's time to see your homework. Look at these questions. Question number 1 is, what's the name of your school? Question number 2 is, how long have you been studying here? When will you finish studying here? And question number 3 is, in which subject do you learn about numbers? Question number 4, write the names of the languages you learn in school. Question number 5 is, why are sports good for us? Students, do these questions on your own. Lesson is clear. I'm sure, inshallah, you'll do it. You have to write these question answers in your notebook. Okay? Students, now open page number 16 in your book. This is work page. Match the following. Okay, these are match the columns. Words are given. History, mathematics, languages, art, sports, science, and geography. See, the next column is written reading, writing, and speaking about plants, animals, and how things work. All about numbers, about the past, exercising the body, about the people, drawing and painting. Okay, students, now match history. Okay, students, history, it's all about the past. Okay? Okay, mathematics will go with, yes, of course, it's all about numbers. Okay, match it here. Students, now see the B part. It's written, fill in the form below. Point number 1, my favorite subject. Write the name of your favorite subject. Point number 2, my teacher. Okay, write the name of the teacher who teaches you the subject. Point number 3, title of my textbook. Okay, write the title of your textbook. Author's name. Okay, it's the writer's name. Write the name of the writer. Number of pages, write numbers. And why you like this subject. Okay, and give the reason. Okay, because write it in one line. Okay, students, now see the C part. Find the answers to these questions. Some questions are difficult to answer. If you don't know the correct answer, it's okay. You can try to guess. And the questions are, how many classrooms are there? How many boys are there? How many girls are there? How many desks are there? And how many teachers are there? Now see the next page. It's D part. Try to answer some more questions about your school. Is there a staff room? Is there a library? Is there a playground? Is there a canteen? And the last one is, how many toilets are there? And finally, now the lesson has been completed. Believe you can and you will. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.